Hello viewers and welcome to the channel. We're going to go for a bit of a drive to Alport. I might do a separate video on that at some point with some snazzy footage. We'll see. But we're going to have a drive up and I'm not sure if we can park properly yet. The last time we went up they bollarded it off because of druggies basically. That sounds really good, doesn't it? And as you can see, it makes perfect sense. What?
Hi, kitty cat.
Oh yeah.
Really hot.
It's muggy, isn't it?
It's horrible.
Or
quite sticky.
it's really sticky. It's really close. It's close weather. Ooh.
Donkey.
Welcome to Couple of Nutters. We are a couple of nutters, and this is most likely going to be the first video that you've seen on there. I am a nutter one, and this is nutter two, or is it the other way around?
Yeah, you're nutter one. You're the one who made me nutty.
No.
Yes. Yes, that is an absolute thing. I don't know.
No. Yeah. So basically, we are a couple, and we are nutters.
You are the nutter. I am the other hand.
You're the what? You're the Do we do this in other languages now?
Yeah.
That's your language, isn't it? I'm so sorry. We're close to the weekend. I'm so sorry.
Halfway to the weekend.
Oh yeah, it's Wednesday. So we're about halfway, are we?
Yeah, I'd say.
So basically where we're heading now is up into the Derbyshire countryside. So we're lucky really, we only kind of live like less than, what I would say 10 or 15 minutes really away from Derbyshire countryside because we're amazing. Oh look, they're even playing cricket. Oh, nice balls.
Oh.
What? We're going to a place called Alport. As I say, I will make a separate video on it eventually because that's also what the plan is, to go different places and do some lovely little informative videos about the places we go to.
But we'll at least try.
Yes, instead of going, oh, we are here, is actually a bit of backstory about the place or a bit of information. And I've gone so camp again, I'm so sorry. I've also got to watch, because these roads that we're on are obviously single track because it's all countryside, so yeah, basically anyone can come and zoom in around the corner at any point. And
So if you hear any swearing, you know what?
yeah. And the sun's just blinded me.
That's why we are called the Couple of Nutters.
Yeah, you see, we're nutters.
We're still 5 in a row.
Yeah. And that's some visors done.
No, 4.
FA. We're going up, basically, to a nice spot where apparently on a clear day you can see 5 counties.
Really?
Don't you know?
I've never seen 5 counties.
Well, if you read the little plaque thing, it does say you see 5 counties, and apparently
I've only been
you
one.
can see all of the power stations. Wow.
Great.
Yeah, great. Oh, hello. And watch it come round, blasting around the corner, but a little Toyota Aygo. And she's just had the poshest thank you that anyone's ever had. What a disgusting coloured Corsa. I'm surprised not putting music on.
Horses.
Bobos.
That's like your go-to thing whenever you're nervous.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah,
What, when I'm nervous?
Yeah.
What would I be nervous about?
Or like worried or whatever. No, I'll say
There we
worried.
go. Oh, we're nearly there. As is evident by the amount of wind turbines. Horrible, disgusting things. I'm sure they're great for the environment. But, you know. Well, we're here. And we're gonna. What's going on with this? There we go. Right. So, this is what I mean by the. Normally you can drive up there and park up, but as I say, because of the antisocial behaviour, they've, understandably I suppose, had to, what is going on with this? There we go. They've kind of had to block it off, but if you really want to, you can walk up. Can't you, dear? Yes, and just see the sun there. In the, you might not be able to. So we're going to have a wander. Not sure what's gone off there, but
It's like someone's dug it up or trees fell down.
yeah, weird. But, you can see what I mean about how high up we are. Actually, it's pretty clear today. Apologies if you can't hear, if the wind's a bit strong, but yeah. So you can see, apart from my bloody forehead. But, we're gonna have a wander. The mussels dancing. The other mussels. I don't know what they are. They're kind of radio towers for something or other. Must be for O2, because for some reason the signal's a bit better. It normally isn't. That is one big pile of shit. Jurassic Park. Most of you young'uns never seen it. I bet they have seen it.
Park is like one which everyone knows.
You'd think so, but you know, it's not wise wearing Converse
No.
when you're walking up places where it's well, a bit hard on the old feet.
You feel every single step.
I know, that's the thing. Every single stone and pebble is protruding up into your soul, quite literally. Just see the sun over my shoulder there. How sexy! It is over there, isn't it? Oh, it's lovely to be up here and not have idiots everywhere. Yes, it's been closed off for a good while. Right. Lovely, beautiful. Let's go over here. Show the viewers. As I say, I do apologise if the wind is quite heavy. Not heavy, noisy. Obviously, given the fact that we are a bit higher up, it's inevitable that the wind is going to be somewhat blustery. You can't really see much over there. Well, as you can see, we had a bit of fun up here, haven't we, dear? Yes. We're a little bit wobbly because I haven't got the gimbal. But we've come up here at the right time because I'm not sure what you can see there, but beautiful sunset up here in Alport, Derbyshire. Beautiful. A bit windy, but we got the drone up, which was one of the goals today. Hopefully we've got some good shots. We only had one crash. In fact, the first crash I've actually ever had in the drone.
Yes.
Hello, Mr. Daddy Longlegs. Yeah, we did have a bit of a wipeout doing a manoeuvre. Clipped the top of a tree and dropped out the sky. But it's okay. There's a bit of grass smudge on it, but that'll wipe off. No major damage. It's been up again afterwards, so win-win really. Could have dropped down onto concrete. Oh, ow. I like that. So yeah, nice bit of a wind down. I'm a bit sweaty.
Are you really?
Yeah, what is that? Ew. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Yeah, so yeah, bit of change of sheet. Yeah, watch the plop. Watch the sheet. The beep. Yeah, so rather successful evening. When I learn where the hell the camera lens is and stop looking at myself, all is good. And you've got footage of me and all, haven't you?
Yeah.
More B-roll. You see people are just parking wherever they want. To be honest, it's not going to stop people coming up here. It just means they can't park up. But, you know.
Sorry.
It's okay. Beautiful. Oh, I am loving those cow skin, sheepy, cow job and bob seat covers. That's not my car, by the way. There we go. Right. I'm stuck. Yeah, get in the car. Well, we've been back in the car a while. We've been having a look at some of the stuff we've captured, and yeah, good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Drone's been up and down again. Prematurely down again, with help from a treetop.
Your fault. You weren't looking.
That is true. I wasn't looking. Yeah. Well, you know, trees do that if you whack 'em one with drones.
Russian.
Not be long, dear. Hello there. Have you seen me teeth?
There's a White House in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, I bet that's lovely.
There it is, you know.
I would live somewhere like
I would. As long as I
close to a supermarket, decent speed internet.
Yeah.
That'd be it.
Yeah.
That is literally heaven on earth.
Yeah. I'm sure they can actually scurry along.
Yeah, I don't even know if you can you even see anything? Is it dark? Hello?
Let's find out. Didn't have night vision, does it? Yeah.
No. That might be the next thing. If we're driving at night, we might need some of them big LED bar things like they do on a lot of the other shows, or just put them on, to be fair.
I swear down, I'm allergic to just air.
You're Can you just look at the line?
Yeah, why?
Exactly the same time that I did.
Oh dear.
Whee! It's a strange noise, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. By the way, she's wearing a Coca-Cola t-shirt. If it looks familiar, you would have seen it before. It's mine.
It's comfy.
I know, and I love the fact that you wear my clothes. However, all the way round, bit weird.
What the spoon?
Hey! We need to go in there again.
Right, we went last week Thursday.
Yeah? the one with that.
Oh, is that? Oh, that's all again. Whoa.
Yeah. Followed by a cop car.
Yeah.
Oh, that's that. 10 o'clock, more or less.
Not
What time
far.
did we leave? It's about 7ish, wasn't it? Oh, no, it
No,
weren't.
it was half
7?
half 8.
Half 8?
Yeah, it wasn't 19. It was like
Are you
20
sure?
past 8. I'm pretty sure. Unless that was when we got there.
Yeah, I think it was when we got there.
Probably that.
Either way, it's been a few hours then. Oh, excuse me. Ugh.
No.
That was utterly ridiculous.
Oh.
Let's go
no.
in.